Global Drain Technologies Slot Drain Kit. Assembly Instructions. Step 1. Lay out catch basin parts and hardware. Refer to written instructions for parts list. Step 2. Using provided hardware and silicone, attach adapter plate to front of catch basin. Insert carriage bolts so that the smooth head is on the inside of the catch basin. Step 3. Apply silicone and place cover plate on side of catch basin. Step 4. Place leveling arms on cover plate. Attach both to side of catch basin. Repeat steps 3 and 4 if using a single drain configuration. If using a multi-drain configuration, install second adapter plate instead. Step 5. Seal unused leveling arm holes with provided silicone and hardware. Step 6. Install integrated strainer basket. Step 7. Using provided silicone and hardware, connect the highest numbered drain section to the catch basin. Step 8. Connect remaining sections in sequence by matching engraved numbers. Assembly complete. Please watch our installation video for further instructions.